This is India Today. I'm Rahul Kaval, and we've got breaking news coming in at this time that the Enforcement Directorate has started probing this big India Today investigation, the Hurriyat truth tape. So we've been contacted by senior officials from the Enforcement Directorate, the ED Director, asking for an immediate probe. Remember, we've already heard from the Jammu and Kashmir government, that story we broke earlier this afternoon, that they've sent instructions to the JK police that Naeem Khan, Bitta Karate and the others exposed by India Today should be forthwith arrested and the strictest legal action should be taken against him. In the midst of all of this, Naeem Khan himself, the exposed provincial president of the Hurriyat Conference, has gone underground. India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu tracked down his wife Hamida Khan in Kashmir, in Srinagar. She says she hasn't heard from her husband since last evening and that her husband is missing. I want to bring you now excerpts from the exclusive conversation my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu had with Hamida Khan.
Naeem Khan has said what he has said. He'll defend it himself.
You will not be speaking on it.
I will not speak on any. I have never spoken so far on behalf of Hurriyat. Whenever I was asked a question, I said they will speak them. It's not for the first time. I was asked questions about Gilani, about Mirwais, about Yasin. I said they will defend themselves. And I will say the same thing about my husband. Naeem Khan has said what he has said. He'll defend it himself.
You will not be speaking on it.
I will not speak on any. I have never spoken so far on behalf of Hurriyat. Whenever I was asked a question, I said they will speak them. It's not for the first time. I was asked questions about Gilani, about Mirwais, about Yasin. I said they will defend themselves. And I will say the same thing about my husband. You understand? I have nothing to say.
Right, ma'am.
Because he knows. I don't know. I have not yet met him. Otherwise, who doesn't know Pakistan how paise bechta hai? Naeem साहब ने कोई revelation नहीं किया अगर उसने बोला भी. You understand? अगर उसने बोला भी कोई नई revelation नहीं है. It has been happening here from 55.
But that he is being used as a tool, burning down schools.
No. I can't believe that. That is a simulation. I can't believe that nonsense. That he can burn. वो 6 महीने बंद था. He was under house arrest and so on. He has no role in anything. I can't believe this is simulation.
Now to go across now to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu. She's in Srinagar tracking the story very closely. Hamida Khan, in this interview you did, or this doorstepping that you did of Naeem Khan's wife, claims that she hasn't spoken to her husband since yesterday. She has no idea where Naeem Khan is. He was in our studio intimidating our reporters, threatening us to take down this expose, and soon after he seems to have gone into hiding. First the bluster, then the disappearing act, Kamaljeet.
Well, absolutely, Rahul. We tried to speak to the family members. We tried to speak to his wife, to Naeem Khan himself. He's been disconnecting our phone calls. We tried to take their version, saying we've done a sting, do respond to us. So that's the opportunity they have not taken. The wife is not coming in defense of Naeem Khan. This is completely indefensible. She says she's yet to speak to the husband. We said it's almost 24 hours since the sting went on air, that she must have had the time to speak to him. This is obviously a heinous act if he's been involved in any of taking either the money from Pakistan to burn down schools or provide money to the stone pelters. So yes, this is something that India Today has been chasing her for, both Naeem Khan as well. We haven't got much of a reaction coming from Naeem Khan except for those disconnected phone calls.
Naeem Khan,
but yes,
he was on the phone with us in our studios threatening us yesterday. Now I'm told, I've received multiple calls from Srinagar since the morning, and we must tell our viewers this, that people in Srinagar are furious with Naeem Khan for what they believe is letting down the Kashmiri cause, for giving the Hurriyat a bad name and for taking money from Pakistan. He admits on camera that he burned schools in Kashmir. Where is Naeem Khan? What do we know from the sources in the police, from people in the Hurriyat, from locals around where he stays? Why is he in hiding if he's got nothing to hide, Kamaljeet?
Well, absolutely. What is really surprising is none of the Hurriyat leaders or separatist leaders have come in defense of Naeem Khan. Now that seems to be a whole lot of vacuum. Is there a difference? Why is nobody defending him? The other part is a lot of people within the valley are not willing to really buy whether Naeem Khan was there, but he's right there in front of the camera making strong admissions. Now this is obviously a cognizable offence. We've been told by multiple sources within the agencies that this will be probed and examined. The Jammu Kashmir IGP, the IG Kashmir, Munir Khan, telling us exclusively that there would be an extensive probe, action would be taken. But at this time, what is more important is that there is no answer to this sting. If there is something which is indefensible as this, how come Naeem Khan is not appearing before India today? Despite us going to his own residence and demanding some answers, he said something like this. We haven't heard from him ever since then. So obviously,
Kamaljeet, I want to bring our viewers excerpts from your conversation with Munir Khan. Munir Khan is the Inspector General of the Kashmir Police, Jammu and Kashmir Police of the Srinagar range. Let's listen to what the IGP of the Jammu and Kashmir Police has to say about this big India Today investigation. This is an India Today exclusive. Munir Khan, the IG.
As far as this question of Hurriyat leaders being involved in, of course, we know that Hurriyat leaders are involved in separatism, and they have been propagating separatism very loudly. As far as legal action against them is concerned, of course, the legal action has been taken in past also. It will be taken in future also, wherever it is required. There is no question of not taking legal action when it is required.
But how do you deal with it? This is obviously not just limited to Srinagar, it's spreading to different parts of the valley. Is that not a concern? How do you do you suggest that agencies like the NIA or an independent agency come and investigate that money trail, or is this something which can be taken care of within the state itself? There is also a contemplation whether Hurriyat-like organization or the idea of Hurriyat itself should be banned.
As far as investigation, I think part of it is concerned, I think J&K police is capable enough to investigate all the trails, whether it be money trail, whether it be weapon trail, any trails we can investigate, and we are investigating.
I want to go across now to my colleague Shujaul Haq, who is in Srinagar. He in fact was intimidated, browbeaten and threatened by Naeem Khan when he came to our Srinagar office. Soon after that cowardly, intimidatory tactic, Naeem Khan seems to have gone underground. Where is he? He has an open invitation. He said, I want to speak to Rahul. He has an absolutely open standing invitation to come live whenever he wants. Kamaljeet Sandhu and Shujaul Haq will help put him through. We're happy to listen to him. We have some tough questions he needs to answer. There's no running away. Where is Naeem Khan? Suja.
Well, Rahul, it seems that he's somehow gone into hiding, because, like you were pointing out, Kamaljeet went to his house. She in fact spoke to his wife also. But so far we haven't heard back from him. Yesterday when he came to our office, he was trying to speak to us. He came in and he wanted us to take the story down. You remember the conversation that he had with you, the brief conversation. After that, he left our office in Srinagar, and then we've been constantly trying to get back to him, but so far we have had no luck with that. In fact, we have been trying to speak to his other associates as well. Even from those fronts, we have not gotten any reaction whatsoever. So it does seem like that they are not either ready to talk or are
the reaction amongst the other Hurriyat conference leaders, Suja, the likes of Mirwais Omar Farooq, the likes of Yasin Malik, Bitta Karate is part of the JKLF, the likes of Syed Ali Shah Gilani, many of them underground, but many of them are still roaming free. Have we heard at all from the Hurriyat conference? Are they accepting that this is the reality about who they are? Are they trying to deny it? Are they going to throw Naeem Khan out of the Hurriyat? Or do they believe their game is over because it's been exposed by India Today?
Well, Rahul, it's a very tricky situation for all of them. Though most of them are, the big names are either under house arrest or are not able to leave their houses. We know that Gilani, Syed Ali Shah Gilani is house arrested. Even Mirwais today was not allowed to leave. But we haven't heard anything from them. There is no reaction whatsoever from them. But from what I hear, I pick up, it definitely is an embarrassment to them. and it'll be important and just interesting to see how they will react to it whenever they want to, whether they will disassociate from what Naeem Khan and others have said, or will their reaction be something else. That's something that will be very interesting to see. But so far, no reaction. It's an absolute silence from that front.
Silence, the Hurriyat conference being left with absolutely nothing to say, because remember, what we've shown on India Today are incriminating videos. They are admissions of guilt. They are admissions of engaging in acts of terrorism, none less. When you say that you've burned dozens of schools, panchayat buildings, that you're targeting hospitals, this is an admission of guilt coming from Naeem Khan. Let me bring you now some of the big excerpts from India Today's explosive investigation, the Hurriyat true tapes that have forced Naeem Khan into hiding.
पिछले 3 साल से चाह रहा था कि ऐसी चीज हो,
कैसे
इतनी बड़ी पावरफुल एजुकेशन चले,
जो अब चलिए बुरहानवाली के बाद 5 महीने जो अब चल रही है।
हाँ, चल रही है। मतलब वो इतना भी नहीं चाहते थे, कहीं वो 1 महीना चाहते थे कि पावरफुल 1 महीना, ऐसा नहीं होता। मतलब इसमें बड़ी चीजें फिर शामिल हो जाती हैं।
उनकी फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट रही इस वाले में, प्रेजेंट वाले में,
प्रेजेंट में रहा, पर जिस लेवल का होना चाहिए,
फिर भी
जिस लेवल का मैंने
100 करोड़ तो रहा होगा,
छोटी सी बात,
इतना तो रहा ना,
तो उससे ज्यादा ही रहा। बट मैं कहता हूँ
ज्यादा ही रहा। आपकी फंडिंग है वो मतलब साल के हिसाब से वो करते हैं आपकी फंडिंग, या हाउ दे फंड
डिफरेंट,
या क्वार्टरली दे फंड यू,
क्वार्टरली
या एनुअली दे फंड यू,
कभी मतलब क्वार्टरली और 6 मंथली इस तरीके से
आ जाता है।
और कभी कभार वो ऐसा भी होता है कि वो कहीं सूर्या में रहते हैं, कतर में किस देते हैं, वहां से वहां गया, वहां से इधर आ गया दिल्ली, फिर आपने यहाँ से मुझे दिया। थोड़ा सा उसमें भी होता है, परसेंटेज बीच वाला कट भी जाता है, जैसे पाकिस्तान से वहां गया, वहां से।
अच्छा, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा ना पाकिस्तान से मदद होती रही, मैंने कहा कि वो कैसे हो रही थी?
और दिल्ली में मिलेगा, वो कश्मीर से नहीं मिलेगा, वहां से नहीं आएगा।
अच्छा, तो पाकिस्तान
दुबई से आप चाहे सूर्या से कहीं से अगर आप कंटेक्ट यहाँ लाने की प्रॉब्लम है, नईम खान हाजिर।
तो आप पाकिस्तान से फंडिंग कैसे लेते हैं, दिल्ली में या कश्मीर में?
वो भी इधर से ही आ जाती है,
दिल्ली से
आ जाता है, वो व्हाइट में ही आ जाता है, उस तरह थोड़ी। आप जैसे लोग खैर खा लोग होते हैं तो
और यूएस से
अपना परसेंटेज उठा के कर ही लेते हैं। हवाला वगैरह जिस तरह भी चलता है वैसे ही चलता है, साफ सी बात है इसमें क्या।
और यूएस से भी दिल्ली के थ्रू?
हाँ, सारा ही हिंदुस्तान से ही सारा होता है,
डायरेक्ट कश्मीर में नहीं।
कश्मीर में कोई जगह देखिए, इंटरनेशनल जो आपके पोर्ट्स भी यही हैं, और आपके पास इंटरनेशनल ये भी हैं, एयरपोर्ट्स भी हैं, सब कुछ तो यही है ना।
करेंसी कोई एयरपोर्ट के थ्रू थोड़ी आएगी?
नहीं, बॉर्डर से नहीं आती है करेंसी। पहले एक टाइम में थोड़ी आती थी, मेजर यहाँ से ही होता है। आप बिजनेस में दिल्ली में आपके जरिए वहाँ लेते हैं, मुझे आप यहाँ देते हैं, साफ सी बात।
हवाला
सारा बिली मारान और ये
चांदनी चौक
सारा उधर से होता है। जैसे इंडिया में हवाला चलता है, उसी में थोड़ा सा हमारा भी उसी में चलते हैं।
तो ये स्कूल चलाना भी हुर्रियत की मूवमेंट का हिस्सा है।
हालात को खराब करने के लिए आपको पैस चाहिए, चाहे वो रेलवे स्टेशन जले, पुलिस स्टेशन जले, चाहे स्कूल जले, पंचायत जले, अलग चाहे हॉस्पिटल। जाती तौर में हॉस्पिटल के खिलाफ नहीं होना चाहिए। तो मतलब कैओस क्रिएट करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स। गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी हो, एमएलए पर पथराव हो, एमएलए की पिटाई इतनी सड़कों पर रात भर हुई, उनके घर जलाना, एमएलए के घरों पर प्रेशर माउंट करना। अभी तो 35 ही चले हैं,
35 ही चले, 35 स्कूल जल रहा है। तो सपोर्ट तो आप ही का है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ।
नहीं, वो तो है जले बिकॉज ऑफ मस्जिद में हम ही तो थे वहाँ।
नईम साहब नहीं होते तो फिर सपोर्ट नहीं होगा, तो कैसे हो जाएगा?
कोई भी चीज सपोर्ट के बगैर नहीं होगी। नमदार हो तो फिर ठीक है, थोड़ा सा इसमें बस वही 100 करोड़ चाहिए,
100 करोड़
100 ठीक, 200 करोड़ 300 करोड़ 300-400 करोड़ 500 करोड़ अगर आज पंप हो 3 महीने और कैरी ऑन किया जा सकता। और जैसे आपने कहा इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाने से ही अब चलेगा। थोड़ा फटीग भी आ जाता है ना। पहले डंडा हम कम चलाते थे, अब डंडा ज्यादा चलाना है।
पाकिस्तान में सर आप किसके टच में हैं?
नहीं, हमारे भी लोग हैं वहाँ, नवाज शरीफ के साथ हैं, बाकी लोगों के साथ भी हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं।
गिलानी साहब किसके टच में पाकिस्तान में?
गिलानी की जमात इस्लामी वहाँ है, और फिर एजेंसियाँ भी हैं।
हाफिज सईद के कोई टच में है इनमें से? कुछ
गिलानी साहब थोड़ा सा रहा है, थोड़ा सा उनके साथ में, थोड़ा सा।
किनका? हाफिज सईद ने गिलानी साहब को फंड किया है, कितना सर?
सब कुछ तो नहीं पूछते, बट हमें जहाँ जहाँ पता चलता है तो ठीक ठाक किया, उन्होंने भी किया।
10-20 करोड़
ज्यादा किया। راسٹریہ رجسٹریشن تو آفس سے کیونکہ اس کو یہ فائدہ ہوا اس نے پورے پاکستان میں ایک ڈرائیو بھی پھر چلایا اس نام پہ نا کلیکشن آف فنڈس کے نام پہ.
اچھا یہ حافظ سعید سے جو فنڈنگ ہے حریت کو یہ پاکستان کی جو گورنمنٹ فنڈ کرتی ہے اس سے الگ ہے؟
یہ الگ ہے.
تو اس نے ابھی دینا شروع کیا یا پہلے سے دے رہا ہے حافظ سعید؟
زیادہ نہیں کرتا تھا پہلے اس کا اپنی آرگنائزیشن تھی اس کی بٹ لاسٹ ایئر اس نے کر لی ٹھیک ٹھاک کر لی.
تو گیلانی جو پاکستان سے فنڈنگ حریت کو ہوتی ہے وہ ڈسٹریبیوٹ ہو جاتی ہے.
اتنا بڑا سسٹم چلا رہے ہیں تو کہاں جائے گا.
تو انہوں نے بتایا سب سے پہلے گیلانی صاحب کے پاس جاتی ہے چیئرمین ہے حریت کی, ان کے پاس پاکستان کی فنڈنگ جاتی ہے, پھر
میرا اس کے پاس جاتی ہے,
پھر یاسین کے پاس جاتی ہے.
Explosive, incriminating video confessions. Remember, this is a charge investigative agencies, India's intelligence agencies have leveled, but they've never had this kind of incriminating videographic evidence where Hurriyat leaders themselves are accepting their crime and accepting that they engage in activities that can be described as terrorism. I want to bring you now explosive excerpts of a conversation I had with Nirmal Singh. He's the Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. In this conversation, Nirmal Singh says that Naeem Khan and the others who've been exposed by India Today will be acted against, that the law enforcement agencies, the Jammu and Kashmir police has been asked to track them down, take the toughest, strictest, most stringent action against them at the earliest, including possible arrest. Here is the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
It's a known fact and it's already in the public domain, but I congratulate India Today that they have put in that public domain with facts, and the people who are concerned with it, they themselves are telling this. So this is on record now. We are always saying that Pakistan is creating trouble in Jammu and Kashmir. They are using people from Jammu and Kashmir to create such situation, whether it's stone pelting, whether it's terrorism. This terrorism is thriving on such money, whether it's hawala money or fake money. So this has been proved by your channel. I congratulate you, and I assure you that the government will do whatever they can do under law, and law will definitely take its own course, and we won't allow such activities to be conducted on the soil of India, on the soil of Jammu and Kashmir. We assure you the government will take appropriate action. The government, whether it's central government or the state government, they will definitely give strong message and implement the law very strongly. Definitely there is a law of land, and the government is taking appropriate actions. Though there is every effort to create a law and order problem here, Patharbaji, there's terrorists, they are killing the innocent people like Lieutenant Fiaz Umar. But you'll see that we have made a comprehensive plan, and ultimately you'll see that the government shall be able to control all this, and whatever facts they come to light, the government is taking cognizance of that and will take appropriate action.
We will take strict, immediate action against those who've been exposed in this big India Today investigation. I want to tell our viewers and every single Hurriyat sympathizer watching that we're not done with our investigation just yet, because this evening India Today Special Investigation Team will bring you part 2 of the Hurriyat Truth Tapes. Never before seen incriminating videos of Hurriyat leaders accepting their guilt, accepting that they engage in acts of terrorism, accepting they burn schools, accepting they get money from Pakistan, talking about the link between Hafiz Saeed and Syed Ali Shah Gilani. This is already out in the public domain. Soon, this evening, you're about to find out what's in the Hurriyat Truth Tapes Part 2. You can't miss this.